Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie, and today I'm going to show you how you can insert an SD card to your Poco M5s. For that, you want to find your SIM card slot again, and that is here on the left side. Take a SIM card ejector or a simple paper clip and then open the slot again, and then take out the slot, and here you see your SIM card, and then you take your SD card and put it in the tray. Then you take the whole thing again and put it back in the phone. And now when we want to unlock our phone again, we have to put in our SIM pin, because we took the card out and put it back in, so we need to unlock it again. And then you see here, SanDisk SD card, tap to safely remove from device. We don't want to remove it. So now your SD card is in your phone, and as you can see, it's empty, so you have the whole capacity available. Then you can just go back, and then if you take photos or something, you can move them to your SD card. So that's how you put in an SD card to your Poco M5s. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.